Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you a few tools on the career website that you can use if you are interested in a particular major but don't know exactly what type of career that will lead you to. So first I'm going to start at the DVC website. It's just www.dvc.edu. Then we're going to scroll down all the way to where it says Transfer Careers and Jobs. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you're going to click on Explore Careers. And then we can click on, there's a bunch of different choices here. I'm going to go ahead and click on Explore Careers again. All right, now it's going to ask you a few different questions. I want to research different careers or majors. I want to learn more about how my skills and interests can connect to my career and major. I want to take a career counseling class, or I want to learn about my specific major. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to click on I want to research different careers or majors. Now I'll get a lot of students who are really interested in a certain major but may not know what career that would exactly lead to. There's a lot of jobs out there, and I think as a counselor I'm learning about different jobs that are new every single year. You know, society is always changing, there's always new things popping up, so there's just always new jobs out there. So I really encourage you to do your research. This is a great tool that I use with a lot of students, so we'll go ahead and click on this. And then we'll click on View All Majors. So now you're going to see a list of a whole bunch of different majors here, and then you can click on the major and it's going to give us information about possible career pathways. So I'm going to do art. What I really like about this website is it'll have the art major and then it'll break it down by specific area. So let's say you wanted to work in museum and galleries, it'll list different positions that you can have, different ideas of positions that you can have in that area. And then it will list common employers. So you get an idea of, okay, where can I work? Maybe it's an art museum at a university, in the public sector, in the private sector. Maybe it's a natural history museum. And then it gives strategies of what you can do in order to kind of learn more about the career or to boost yourself to get the experience needed in order to get into that career. So we'll see now it goes into the fine arts and crafts area, commercial art. Here it also says, what can I do with this major in graphic design? So you can click on that too. It'll give a whole new list. Education, art therapy, media, photography, art sales. So as you can see, there's probably a lot of stuff on here that you may not have even thought about if you were an art major. So that's something I really like about this webpage, is it just really opens up your eyes as to what the possibilities are. The last feature of this page that I think is really cool is it goes into professional associations. So you get to learn more about different professional associations in that field. It looks at the occupational outlook. So it looks at how much are they making in the nation? Is the job growing? A lot of great useful information there. And then they have a lot of other related resources and then employment opportunities. So if you are starting your search, thinking about careers, this is definitely a good place to start. It's what can I do with this major, along with the rest of the resources on the career website. All right, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, definitely see a counselor. We're here to help you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.